What? Wow! Thank you! So today we just concluded the 2S, BetaFPV 2S ducted race organized by Tiny Whoop Philippines and with BetaFPV John Alzona. Now we're just raffling off the prize. I'm gonna put the winners of the A main and the B main champions down in the description, but today it was a really very special day because this is the first ever in Southeast Asia 2S ducted race, and we had that's Jiggy, A main champion, and this was the first we had representation from all major brands like in the A main category. So the winners were we had BetaFPV Whoops, Emax Tiny Hawk S, and I think there was a Happy Model Mobila 7 in the finalists, in the A main finalists. So today we're really very tired. It's already 8 p.m. here at Acropolis Tennis Court, and and I think I won another prize. Yeah! Gusto ko yung white. Okay, so thank you to John Alzona, you know, of that's John, or you know, the big boss of BetaFPV here in the Philippines, the main dealer. For these awesome raffle prize, I got a CADX Firefly, and I got a BetaFPV cap, and today couldn't have been a better day. I'm gonna show you some clips of today, and probably my my best race of my life here today. So probably post some clips, and I'm just gonna keep this short. Really tired. So anyway, just stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned to the Tiny Whoop Philippines group, so you're updated about the upcoming races. There's going to be an upcoming toothpick race as well as a lights out race, or an evening race. So do stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna put some descriptions in the description below. Links in the description below. Right? Anyway, I'm really tired. Can't speak straight. Right? Anyway, as always, keep building and keep flying.
Masigabong palakpakan tayo. Si John Alzona! Guzman, Lendl, Layug, Jiggy, Group 2, Lance, Dennis, Jeffy, Ito. Congratulations.